real quick message. So a lot of y'all have been reaching, well, I'm not going to say a lot of y'all, but it's been quite a few of y'all who's been reaching out to me saying that you guys had applied for Marten and you had put your girl down for that good old driver referral bonus. I would just like to say congratulations to the driver who just recently got hired over here with Marten Transport due to I don't know if you was watching my videos and got inspired, or if you just know about Marten and wanted to come over here. Whatever the case may be, I wanted to send a special congratulations to you, driver. Hopefully one day I'll see you out here on this road. I know you just recently got hired because I just got my very first driver referral bonus. Yay! So how the bonuses work for Marten, you have to refer a driver. The driver has to actually get hired, go through the orientation process and get hired for you to get the bonus. You also have to give the driver your driver code, your cell phone number, and your name. Now, in my videos, I be posting this information for y'all so y'all can give it to your recruiter, because it has to be on your application. In order for me to get the driver bonus, all this information has to be attached to your application. So that is the correct way over here at Marten Transport to get your driver referral. You can't just tell the driver, hey, give him my driver code. They is a little extra over here, so it requires extra shit to get the referral bonus. So how the referral bonus is paid out, it is a total of $2,000 for the first one, and any other additional referrals after that is $2,500. So of course they're not gonna get it all to you right away. They're gonna chop that thing up. So after the person initially gets hired, it's $500. After their first 30 days, it's another $5. After 60 days, another $5, and after 90 days, another $5. So that is how it's paid out. I just recently got my first referral bonus, which was the $500 for that person actually getting hired. That's how I know that you just recently got hired. So congratulations to you, Bookie, and thank you for putting a couple of coins in your girl pocket. You do know I work hard. I feel like I deserve that, you know. And if you're gonna use me as a referral bonus, please do not hit me with the split it down the middle with you bullshit. Keep that shit. If that's the case, honey, keep it. You don't got to put me down as a referral, because some of y'all just, I don't know what be going on upstairs. The lights is on, but ain't nobody home type situation. But yeah, if you would like to come over here and work for Marten Transport because you like what you see in one of my videos and you would like to show gratitude to your girl, make sure you drop this information on your application to your recruiter. When you get hired, make sure you give them this information right away. They're going to ask you, did somebody refer you? This is the part where you give them my information, which would be my name, my cell, and my driver code. The description box has all this information, but I'll drop it in the subtitles again for you all. Anywho, I'm sending you all cyber love, peace, and good vibes y'all way. Happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Whoop whoop. Make sure you all enjoy your weekend. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. If you out there getting them coins, baby, get that bag. Don't let a motherfucker take you out of your square. Make sure you drink some water and make sure you mind the business that pays. Anywho, it's your favorite cousin, Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Until next time.